Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max with an unresponsive display because it's cracked and it needs a new screen. So let's go do that. So first thing we're gonna do is try to shut this phone down. Let's see if we can do that. And the top portion of this iPhone is not responsive at all. So let's go proceed to our disassembly process. We're gonna unscrew these two screws at the bottom beside the lightning port. And while the iPhone 11 Pro Max is still on, we're gonna try to remove this broken display. This is not recommended. It's usually you turn off the device, detach the battery before you can remove anything from the main board. But this is a special case. As you can see, the top of the display is not even lifting up. We're gonna lift it up once it's safe to do so. You can see that it needs a bit of persuasion to do that. And now we can proceed to the extraction of the retaining plates that covers the connectors so that we can remove this broken display and of course disconnect the battery. So through this we can now turn off the iPhone properly and then replace it with a new display. Put that to the side. We're still gonna need that. We're gonna copy the Face ID information and of course everything that needs to be copied over to the replacement display. So this is our copy paste machine, as I call it. Now that we have copied it in memory, we're gonna transfer it to the replacement display. So this prevents the error messages that you can see on the iPhone when you try to replace the display. So sometimes the Face ID doesn't work. So this device lets us copy the information to the new display. So it's pretty neat, but some newer iPhone models don't have this support, so this is good for iPhone 11, I think. I'm gonna check on David regarding that. We're gonna remove some of the sensors from the old display as well. We're just gonna transfer them. So the iPhone replacement display for an 11 Pro Max is kind of complicated for a novice repair enthusiast. If you want to do this on your own, make sure you know what you're doing and make sure you have practice on older devices because this is kind of a big undertaking. So if you're unsure if you can do this, just head on to your local repair service center. Make sure you have the original parts installed and make sure you trust them. That's David there. We're not going to show you the internal contents of this iPhone. We won't even show you the wallpaper because of the privacy concerns from the client. So we're just gonna reassemble the whole thing, make sure that the touchscreen works, and the rest of the testing will be done by the client. So we're gonna screw in the retaining screws, plates, and then put some adhesives on the top and then put it back in. There's some adhesives on the side left, so it's safe to reuse them. We're gonna put back the two screws at the side of the lightning port and we're gonna be done. So if you have any questions or if you want this same service done on your iPhone 11 Pro Max, just message David through our Facebook page. You can visit the shop if you're around Sydney, If you're not around Sydney, you can send in your broken smartphone that needs to be repaired. And once we're done fixing it, we're gonna mail it back to you. And if you're lucky, we will give you some freebies like this one. David is just gonna repurpose some other covers for different model. But this is gonna be unnoticeable, just to protect the users from broken shards of glass coming off. If you want to see our video on how to repair the back cover on the iPhone, we have a laser approach to that. That's gonna be interesting, but it's gonna be a costly repair, to be honest. We're gonna put this freebie tempered glass and we're gonna call it a day. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.